Okay, so today we discuss the Vrana is Ayurvedic perspective, and after that we will discuss the wound or the ulcer. The Nirukti means where the term Vrana is derived from the Vrana Gatra Vichuden Vraneti Vrana means the breaking of the body tissue in the fragments. Gatra Vichuden Vraneti Vrana means when our body tissue breaks, then that thing happen, the develop, that is called the prana. Vranayati gatra vayornam karoti. Dalhan says there is a discoloration of the body due to prana. Means when the body get discolored, the color is changed from normal to the different color. That is also called prana, because we already have seen. We see whenever a person get injured and development of wound, after the healing, that scar will form. Understand? So that retrograde definition is there. When there is a formation of a scar, it means there was a vrana. Just like in the next slok, Sushruta says, "Vranoti yasmat rudhe api vrana vastu nanashiti adeha dharana tasmat vrana iti uchite bolte." Means vranoti yasmat rudhe api vrana vastu nanashiti. Whenever a person get injured, wound is there, that after healing, a formation of the scar, and that scar will not leave the body till that person lives. Understand? Vranoti yasmad rudhe api vranavastu nanashati means whatever the scar is formed after the healing of the wound, adeh dharana tasmat vrana iti uchte vidai. So that will adeh dharana. जब तक body रहेगी means जब तक person that person live, till then that scar remain in his body, that is called the vrana. Understand? So here he sees that always there is scar after healing. It is not possible that any organ of our body, any tissue, if it is get injured, then after healing it will always form a scar. Without scarring, there is no healing, and that will remain whole life. Then few components of the vrana. The Sushruta says in the one slok, and this is the most important slok in the vrana in this chapter. You must have to memorize this slok, because with this slok you know all the details of the vrana in single slok. He says san mulu astaparigrahi panch lakshana lachitaha sastya vidhane nirdishte satsadhi chaturvi sadhate vrana. Mean shan mulo astaparigrahi panch lakshana lakshita. There are six positive factor of the vrana. This is for the Vataj, Pittaj, Kaphaj, Shanipataj, Raktaj, and Agantuja. There are six basic cause for the development of the vrana. 8 sites, Astaparigrahi. There are 8 sites: Tvacha, Mans, Sira, Snayu, Sandhi, Asti, Coast, and Marma. These are the 8 sites where the vrana are developed. Panch Lakshana, there is 5 characteristic. That 5 characteristic means the 5 Gandha, Varna, Shrav, Vedana, Akruti. Means that wound have 5 characteristic features. Different type of the Gandha, means smells, different kind of the Varna, colors, different type of the Shrav, different means the discharge, Vedana, different types of pain, and Akriti, the shapes, different type of shape according to the mechanism of the injury or the causative factors. And in the next line he says Sastya Vidhanen Nirdishteh Chaturbi Shadita Vrana. The 60 type of the measure, 60 type of the procedure are described for the treatment of these vrana. So the vrana has, and the next line, next he says Chaturbhi Shadita, means the Chikitsa Chatuspad. You know, Charaka has also mentioned that, and Shushta has also mentioned the Vaidya, the patients, Rogi, the medicines, and the Paricharak. These are 4 Chatuspad. Without this Chatuspad, any type of treatment is not possible. So, with this Chatuspad, the surgeon, patient, medicines, and the Paricharak means the attendant. When this Chatuspad used to do this 60 type of the procedure, 60 type of the measures for the treatment of the vrana. So this is very important sloks. All the basics things, basic component of the vrana comes under 6 moola, ashta sites, 5 features, 60 procedures. Now come to the classifications. So on the basis of the different type, the vrana can be classified in different types. First, the basic of classification is that basis etiology. So on the basis etiology, on the basis of etiology, the vrana can be classified as the nija and agantuja. Nija means when the vrana is developed due to the vitiation of the dosas. The initial first the dosa get vitiated and the vrana is developed. That is called the nija vrana. And second, agantuj, when the person is get any trauma from outside the body or any source of injury from outside body, then it is called agantuja. Here dosas are not vitiated initially. The dosa get involved later. On the basis of the dosas, involvement of the dosas, the vrana is classified into 16 types. 15 type of the dosha, the vrana where different type of dosas involved: vataja, pittaja, kafaja, vataja, pittaja, kafaja, raktaja, vataja, pittaja, kafaja, raktaja. So on the basis of these four type, 5 vataj, pittaj, kafaj, raktaj, and sannipada. So there are different combination. Along with this, due to this different combination, the 15 type of the vrana developed. And one is the Shuddha vrana, when all dosas are in the sama stages, means no variations. So that condition is called the Shuddha vrana, clean wound. Then on the basis of the different stages, the wound is classified in the 4 types: Dushta vrana, Shuddha vrana, Rohiman vrana, and Shamya vrana. Dushta vrana means that is the wound is unhealthy and having some different type of the unhealthy tissue, and that is not healing. And the chronic wound, Shuddha vrana, the wound is healthy and it is clean wound. Rohiman vrana, which is the healing wound, when the wound has no any kind of the factors who affect the wound healing, so the wound is healthy and it is healing. And Samyak vrana means when the wound is healed completely. So there are 4 stages. We will discuss in detail later slides. So on the basis of the etiology, nija and agantuja. On the basis of the dosas, 15 types. On the basis of stages, 4 types: Dushta vrana, Shuddha vrana, Rohiman, Shamya vrana. Then the type of the Sadhyo vrana, that is agantuj vrana. These are the type of the nija vrana. The agantuj vrana has 6 types on the basis of the mechanism of the injury, how the injuries happen. So on this basis, the chinnam, bhinnam, tatha pitham, chatam, pikchitam, cha, drashtamahus, tatha, sasta vrana iduchate. These 6 vrana: chinna, bhinna, vidya, chat, pichit, and drashta. These are the described by Shushta. Charaka described the 20 type of the vrana, and Bhagavata described the 8 type of the vrana. We will not go into detail, just stick to the Shushta only. Now we just discuss in detail Nija vrana. What is Nija vrana? Shushta says, Tayo sariraha pavan pitta kap shodit sannipata nimuttaha. When the wound is developed due to the pavan, vata, pitta, kapha, rakta and sannipata, so that vrana is called the Nija vrana, and with this different combination, it is all of 15 types. So here the basic difference, the Nija and Agantuja is Nija, the dosas get initiated first and then wound is developed, or the vrana is developed. But in the Agantuja, first the vrana is developed and then vitiated of dosas, then different type of the dosas get involved in the vitiation of dosas occurs later and wound develops first in the Agantuja. But here the Nija, the dosas get developed first, just like in the Vrana Shof which discussed. First the dosas get vitiated and they develop the wound. Agantuja Agantura पुरुष पशु पक्षी व्याल शरीर पतन प्रीण प्रहार अग्निशार विस्तीश औषध कल कपाल संग चक्रेशु परशु शक्ति कुंतार आयुध अभिघात निविद्ता. He described different type of the objects which can injure a person, which can injure, that are the purush, any person, any human, pakshi, vyal, sharishrab, patan means falling, pidan beating, prahar, agnichar, vish, tishaushad. These are the different type of the factors which can hurt a patient and for a vrana or form a wound on a person. So this is all of the external factors and causes the injury to the persons and develop the wound. That's called the agantu vrana. Then lakshana, the features, the characteristic of the vrana. Shushta described there is two features. Tasya lakshanam dvividam samanyam vaisheshikam cha. Tasya samanyam rukta means all the vrana has two features, one general and second specific. So general features of the all vrana is the root, the pain. Pain is the common feature of all type of the vrana, and the vishesh lakshana means that vishesh lakshana depends on the which dosage is involved. Vishesh lakshanam punarvat adi lingad vishesha means the pain is the general feature which all the vrana have, and the second other characteristic features are depends on the involvement of the doshas, which dosha is prominent. According to that, that dosha, that wound will have the color, the vrana, the shrav, the akriti. That is depends on the which dosage is involved. Understand? So if we ask how many lakshana of the vrana, just answer is two. One is general, second is specific. Now we discuss the specific pain and discharge from the vrana. All the 15 types we are discussing here the Nija vrana only. So in the Nija vrana, first the vrana developed to vata has the features as tatsya tatra shyava aruna abha stanu shita pichla alpasravi ruksha chachatani sila isprana ayam tod bhed vedana bahula nirmansa sahit vata means the vrana developed to vata has the shyava aruna color, tanu, sheet, pichila, that the discharge will be the tanu, sheet, and pichila. Ruksha Chatayani Shila, Ishpurana Ayam Tod means that has the feature that has the pain, that is have the characteristic of Tod Bhed Vedana. The Pitta has Chiprajaha, Pita Nila Abha. किंशुकोदक आभा उष्ण श्रावी दाह पाक राग विकारी पित्त पीत पीड़िका जुष्टश्चायित means all these features are the common we already discussed in different type of the shotha and different type of the you may have noticed that the dosas have their typical character which present in all the type of the features, either in the abscess, either in the vidrti, either in the shotha. You see, if there is a pitta, then must be pitta, and chipra means that quick pitta, keshupada, ushna dah pak dag. That's you just is you see that the different dosas have their characteristic features and they involve in all type of the vrana, either vidrti, either shotha. Pratat Chandu Kandu Bahula is full goal. But why we are discussing here, because the different type of term are very important. Just like the term is Pratata Chandu. Sorry. The term is Pratata Chand Kandu Bahule. So this is the term is important. You must remember this term. Then Praval Dal Niche Prakash, that is the Rakta Jabrana. Praval Dal Niche, the color of that wound is just like Praval, coral. Understand? So these terms are important. That's why I'm discussing here, because for that, not for the only this undergraduate, when you prepare for the post graduation, so there the question comes in this form only. They just ask this only this single term. Praval Dal Niche Prakash is the feature of the Vataj Pittaj Kapha Rakta Juj Prana. Understand? So that's why I'm discussing here. Just listen me and just underline your these slokas in your books and try to memorize them. Vata Pitta, if there is Vata Pitta, the characteristic feature has the Tod, Dahat, Humayanam, Pit, Arun, Abhas, Varn, Sravish. If Vata Pitta is there, Kanduin, Shilan, Sanis, Todo, Ruksho, Guru, Daruno, Muhur, Muho, Seet, Pichilala, Sravi. If the Pit and Kapha is involved, then Guru, Daha, Ushka, Pitta, Pandu, Sravi, If the Vat and Rakt is involved, then Ruksha, Tanush, Tod, Bahulyam, Suptam, Ivcha, Rakt, Arunabhas, Tanuvar, and Sravi. If the Pitta and Rakt is involved, then Ghat Manda, Abho, Meen, Dhaman, Toy, Gandhi. It's very important. Ghat Manda, Abho, Meen, Dhaman, Toy, Gandhi. Madhur, Ushna, Sravi, Shayati, Pitta, Sonitabhyam. Rakto, Guru, Snigdho, Pichila, Kandu, has Thiru, Rakta, Mandu, Sravi, Sileshma, and Raktaha. Spurna Tod, Daha, Dhumayanam, Pita, Tanodak, Sravi, Chait, Vat, Pitta, and Raktaha. Kandu, Spurna, Chumchumayana. Chumchumayaman Praya Pandu Ghan Rakta Sravi Jai Vata Pitta Vata Shlesham and Raktaha Dah Pak Ra Kandu Praya Pandu Ghan Rakta Sravi Pitta Kapha and Rakta and Pavan Pitta Kapebhyam means Trividha Varna Vedana Sravi. All the three type of the pain, all the three type of the Varna, all the three type of the discharge. That is in the Sannipatha Vrana. And the Vrana have Pavana Vat Pittika Fanakta, that Nirdahan Nirmathan is Purana Tod Dah Pak Rag Kandu Swap Bahulo Nana Varna Vedana Hasravu. And lastly, the Vrana has all the dosas in Samyavastha. That is the Suddha Vrana. Jiva Talabho Mridushnidha Slakshmo Vigat Vedana Subhastha. Subhyavasthito Nirasarava Shuddho Vrana. Means that wound has the color just like the tongue. Jiva Talabho Mridu Ishnigdho, Mridu soft, Snigdha, Sulakshana, and Vigat Vedana means there is no pain. Subhyavasthito, the margins are the clean and the equal, and Nirasarava, there is no discharge, and that is the called the Shuddha Vrana or the healthy wound. Then one thing is the Vrana Vastu. So Vrana Vastu is that nothing, just called the scar. Or the other meaning of the Vrana Vastu is that the site where the wounds are developed in our body, that is called the Vrana Adhisthan. So Sushta says Tanya Mas Sira Snayu Sandhyasti Kost Marmad it Asto Vrana Vastuni. These are 8 type of the Vrana Adhisthan where the wounds can be developed in our body. That is Tvacha, Mans, Sira, Snayu, Asthi, Sandhi, Post, and Marma. So there is no place other than this in our body. So the wound is developed in these 8 parts. So there are 8 sides of the vrana, or you can say there are 8 vrana vastu. Then the vrana discharge according to the which dose in which site is involved. According the discharge is different according to the different type of the vrana discharge. If the vrana is developed in the tvacha, then the feature has tatra grhashtasu chinnasu va tvakshu spote bhinne vidartehe va salil prakasho bhavati sravah kinchit sravah pitavaksho. The discharge is watery, vishra gandhi and yellow in color, and this salil prakasho means that the discharge is just like the water. So you see, if a person is injured and only skin is injured, so if the skin is injured, there is a discharge, serious discharge occurs from the body. So that's why he mentioned the blood is not here. Only serious discharge is there if only skin is damaged. If mans is damaged, the muscle is damaged, then Sharpi Prakasha Chandra Shwet Pichlesaha. The discharge will be Sharpi Prakash, just like the Kritaha. Chandra means concentrated, Shwet, white, and Pichila Srava, Chipchipa, and sticky. Sira, if the Sira is damaged, then the Sadhya Chinnasu Sirasu Rakt Atparvati hai. There must be severe bleeding. Rakt Atparvati hai. Pakwasu cha Toe Nadi Viribi. Gamanam Pueshe, and if that wound is get Pakwa Avastha, then there is the Toe Gamanam Pueshe, there must be a pus discharge. Asra Avascha Tanus Vichinam Pichlo Avalambi Syao Avashyao. This is the feature of the wound developed in the Siraha. Snayu, if the tendon or the ligament is involved, the Snayu Snigdho Gana Singhalak Pratima Raktasya. Singhalak Pratima, it comes in Brana also. So that's I'm saying the term is very important. If the asthi is involved, then the asthikato asthi anabhite isprinte bhinne dosh vidate va dosh bhakchitvad asthim nisara shukto dhavatam avivaktaha asravasravasya majja misra rusarudram vishnudas. That this is the whatever the discharge will there, that will include the bone marrow, majja misra, rudra, the blood is there. And that is the fat, if the snake is there, snake there means that smooth because involved there is a presence of the fat. So this is the different characters of that blood discharge depends on the which side is involved. If the sandhi is involved, the sandhi kata pidi mano na pravartate akunchina aprasana Avaman Binaman Pradhavano Utkashan Pravahadesha Sarvati means if that different type of the movement Akunchana Prashana Unnaman Binaman Pradhavan, if different Utkashan, different type of the movement occurs in the Sandhi, then the pain with that discharge will increase. Asravasravasya Pichalo Avlambi Sharudror means that the discharge will Pichila Avlambi and having the blood in there. Because if the wound is, if the joint is involved, then there may be some synovial fluid. If the discharge, then synovial fluid may come with this. That synovial fluid with sticky and thick and maybe blood mixed. So this is the feature of the when the joints is involved. Coast, if the coast is involved, then coast gato shanga muta purisho shakti. If the our intestine or the large and the small is involved in any kind of the prana, then there may be shanga muta purish, there may be the constipation or the urine retentions, puyodakani purish puyodakani and this the pus discharge may be there. Marm gatastogadi avrudhan transi. So in the marma he says that that depends on the which marma is involved, and that marma involve which side means which dhatu, either skin, asthi, mans. So depends on that, the features will be according to that. Marma means that in all the marma there is no general features. The which marma is involved, it depends on the which dhatu is prominent in that marma, so the features will be according to that. Then Vrana Varna, different type of the color. So if the Vat is prominent, then the Vrana must have the color Bhasma Kapotasti Varna. Bhasma, just like the Bhasma Kapotasti, Kapot means the pigeon. Arunvarna Parusho, Aruna Krishna, Ita Marutajasya. If the Pitta and Rakta is involved, then Neela Pito Harita Shyava Krishno, Raktaha Pingalaha Kapilaha, iti Rakta Pitta Samudhayo. If Kapha is involved, then color will be Shweta Snigdha, Pandu will be Shlesmajasya. If all are involved, then Sarvarna Sannipataka. All color may be present. So up to here, then the stages of the Vrana. In Bija Vrana, the 4 stages: Dushta Vrana, Shuddha Vrana, Ruhimana, and Runa Vrana. In Agantuja, these all four, these are in Nija Vrana, these Dushta Vrana, Shuddha Vrana, Ruhimana, and Rudha Vrana. These 4 stages. The order is changed in Agantuja Vrana. First there is Shuddha Vrana. Whenever the wound is developed, initially with the injury, it is always Shuddha Vrana. Then if it gets infected or the contaminated, then it becomes Dushta Vrana. Then when you clean that, again it will Shuddha Vrana, then Ruhiman and the Buddha Vrana. So these are the different stages. Next we will discuss in next class.